Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable and disable shuffle on Spotify using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Spotify and log in your account. And now just want to choose any of your albums, for example, this one, and just go ahead and play any song that you want. So for example, this album, right? So as you can see here at the lower part of my screen, beside this previous button, you can see this two arrows that intersect each other, right? So that means so you can see here it enables shuffle. So if you want to enable shuffle, just go ahead and click that. And if you want to disable it, just go ahead and click that again. So that's so easy, right? So I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.